Hey guys, what's going on? It's Saturday and I'm out looking for waterfalls, and this time I'm in Pictou County. I'm here at the Mill Brook Falls. That's a waterfall that actually just runs under the road. So we're gonna run down, check that out, and then we're gonna check out the Gairloch Falls, I believe it's called, and the Lairg adit, mining adit. So let's head down the woods. Looks like a little bit of a bank. We're gonna head down, check it out, and I will check back. So just parked by the guardrail. There's a little path you can see. We're just following it down. That's not bad. Okay, Mill Brook Falls, absolutely recommend that one. Very simple to get to, and it's a beautiful waterfall. So next we're on to the Gairloch Falls. So let's hop in and go check it out. All right, so we finally made our way to new Lairg. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, but we kind of bounced around a little bit. There's a road that looks like it's washed out or something. There's a barrier put up, so if you see it, you can just kind of go up around until you see a church, and then you kind of take the dirt road adjacent to the church. It goes uphill, and then you'll see the two cemeteries, and the path is in between them. So I'm gonna head down the path, and then we will see what the Gairloch Falls looks like. Let's go. So would you pronounce it Gairloch? Alright, so that was the Gairloch Falls. It was way better than I thought it was going to be. Now we've driven a couple kilometers down the road. We're at the Lairg adit. So we're going to climb up this hill and see if we can find it. So just a little ways up off the side of the road, you come to an old backfilled adit. And as far as I know, I'm supposed to just kind of continue up behind it. Just up the hill, there's supposed to be somewhat of a path, which I don't see yet. All right, so after probably at least an hour of searching, we had no luck finding the mining adit. We did find, like I showed, the infilled one. We found a couple locations that had some piles of stones that had some iron in them. And here, I'll show you. Got it in my pocket here. But I don't know if the mine has had some deadfall trees kind of blocking the way, or it's been since filled since maybe gaining some popularity, but we searched and searched and searched and we could not find it. So unfortunately, no mine in this one, but hopefully you enjoyed it otherwise. I'll see you guys in the next one.